We're gonna fix this mechanical wristwatch. We shake it, sometimes it'll start and then stop. Use a tool and pry off the back. Pull off the back to see the movement. Give it a puff of air. Balance wheel just moves just a little bit and then stops. Apply a little bit of oil. Place it into the oil wells. Just a little bit to the pallet forks. We'll take a few pieces apart, but before we do, we want to take the power off the watch. So I'm going to push back the click while holding the gear or the crown. I'll pull a little bit on the crown, pull back the click, and then release a little bit of power at a time. We'll remove the anti-magnetic ring. Loosen the screw so I can get the crown out. Pull the crown completely out. Remove the movement. Place the crown back in. I'll give it a little wind, then I'll submerge it into some paint thinner. A little shake, see if I can get it to move. Start to work that dirt out. Leave a little pressure off the hands. See if we can get it to move, and there we go. It's starting to tick. It's running pretty consistent. We'll just let it work the dirt out. So turn it around so the hands are up. Just watch the second hand to make sure everything's still running. While that's soaking, I'll go ahead and clean all the scratches off the crystal with some 400 grit sandpaper. Start to sand out all those scratches. All the scratches are off. We do have one crack, but we're not going to worry about that. Sand with some 600 grit sandpaper, some 800 grit. Sand in one direction. When I go with another piece of sandpaper, I change the direction so I can see when all the scratches are gone. We'll go 1,000, 1,200 next. You can start to see through it again. 1,500 grit. Use a buffer to get the rest out. Crystal looks a lot better now. Curious if I pull it out, if it'll stop. That's a good sign if it doesn't. Get everything clean, I'll just let it sit in the solution for about a day. A day later, everything's ticking. We have some evaporation, but everything's clean. Pull everything out, dry it out, fluid out. With the fluid removed, everything still ticks real nice. Move the crown completely, movement. Install the crown, tighten up the screw so the crown doesn't come out. Add the anti-magnetic ring. We'll place everything on a time grapher, kind of hone it in a little bit. Adjust the balance wheel a little bit. And 14 seconds in a day. Put the back on, flip it around into a couple directions. Side looks pretty good on its face. Overall looks in good shape. Ready to go again. Watch has some patina, but it looks a lot better, runs a lot better.